Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block incoming messages in GOG Galaxy, for example from people you haven't added to your friends list yet. So let us guide you through it. So guys, you will need to access your account settings here on GOG Galaxy. To do that, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the top left and select account management here. Next, navigate to the privacy settings here. And what you want to do after that is focus on that part here, profile, friends and chat. And simply make sure that you switch from friends only here under allow chat messages from to nobody. And that is basically not allow anyone to send you any messages at all, including your friends from your friend list, but also from users you haven't added to your friends list yet. You can always switch back to friends only or everyone. And these changes will then be saved, as you can see. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.